Hello, my name's Laura from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the eye-catching Cortina white, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 56,100 miles. Standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with this 10-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aids for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to outfit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. And radio to choose from your favourite FM radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so the passengers can set a preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 Sportback is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.